Good morning, dear students. This side your facilitator Ravina Khan, and today I'm here with the brief summary of the story A Chameleon. And this story has been taken from the literature of class 7 book written by Anton Chekhov. Now let's get started. Now let's first talk about the author Anton Chekhov. He was a Russian playwright, writer, and short story writer who is considered to be amongst the greatest writer of short fiction in history. Here you can see Anton Chekhov. He was born on January 17, 1860, as he was a short story writer and playwright and physician, as I have already told you. And his paternal grandfather was a serf who brought freedom for himself and his family as well. And his father was a merchant who overextended finances and estate and fled with the rest of family to Moscow to escape prison. Chekhov followed 3 years later and died in 1904 due to tuberculosis. Now, first of all, let's talk about the characters. Here you can see the Chekhov, the police superintendent. After that, you can look over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There are 6 characters, and they are of famous, personalities. Some are famous personalities, some are general cooks. One of them is woodcutter, one of them is goldsmith, and one is policeman. Now, talking about the summary, here The Chameleon is one of Chekhov's shorter stories at a length of nearly 4 pages, but that doesn't make the story any less compelling. In classic Chekhov fashion, A Chameleon expresses a deep truth about human behavior in a detailed setting. Actually, what things happens in our original life, in a real life, that whenever we see a cruel person or a greedy person, then we always used to compare those person with a chameleon like Girgit. Yeah, so same as this, the writer have compared the cruel peoples to this chameleon. Now here the title refers to a police officer named Chomilov, as he was known in Russian Wacky, who changes his mind several times about how to act in a situation where he doesn't know all the facts. Now at first, Chomilov is tempted to side with the man whose finger was bitten in part because the situation seems trivial, and he wants to dispense justice because it seems like a rational decision. When a member of a crowd yells that the dog belongs to a general, he in turn assumes that the bitten man deserves all of the blame. Here, Chekhov ends the story by revealing that the dog belongs to a general brother. This allows that Chomilov to settle on a decision to rescue the dog and punish the injured man. Here you can see the moral of the story is fairly easy to deduce. People change their behavior to suit their own needs regardless of how it affects others. When you really think about it, this is a sad lesson to learn. People will behave this way even in situations that with low stakes, and the story tension comes from the mystery of what really happened and the reader's uncertainty as to what will happen to the various characters in the story. And thankfully, Chekhov let us off the hook by allowing the dog to be saved and ending the story before the injured man can be further punished. So here, I'm also curious as to whether Chekhov wrote this story as an allegory, and my translation also includes asterisks that reveal meanings behind the character's name, but these meanings seem to serve a comical function rather than an ethical one. and I would say this is the most comedic Chekhov story I have read to date. So students, you also need to read this story and understood this one, and you feel like a cartoon in these characters. Chekhov realized the humor in his story even when the subject matter is quite dark. Now here is about the title chameleon. You can see that who are chameleons. You can see that chameleon, that is Girgit, they have the ability to change the means their colors. In this story, attitude of means superintendent, he have also said that means compared those peoples with the chameleon, depending on its situation, just like a chameleon. And he means according to this, writer have done means compare the people as a chameleon through this means situation, which situation they are suffering from. Through this, through those situation, he have compared people with the chameleon. We have already talked about the summary, and in this summary, the story opens like a chameleon, that the police superintendent is walking through a market square, and all of a sudden the sound of a means sound comes to his ears, and after following the voice he discovered that it is Ryukin, who has come by the lumber yard to pick up a wood. And Ryukin claims to have been bitten by a stray dog and demands compensation. And what happens next? He immediately agrees with the complaint by announcing that it is a time something need to be done about gentlemen who are not willing to obey the regulation. But when someone in the crowd who has come to see what is going on suggested that the dog is of generals, Ochimilov changes his attitude and he started to blame Rukin for the incident. And another onlooker tells him that the dog is in fact not the general's, and again he changes his attitude, claiming that the general dogs are expensive and this is goodness knows what, no coat, no shape, a low creature. Ochumilov goes on changing his mind every time someone suggested something different about the incident. And at last, at the end of the story, it revealed that the dog belonged to the general's brother. Being friend with the general, the inspector returned the dog back to the owner's cook. Now talking about the message, that in this story what message is given, that is, the message of this story is fairly easy to deduce, and people change their behavior to suit their own needs regardless of how it affects others. When you really think about it, this is a sad lesson to learn, and it shows a deep truth about human behavior in a detailed setting. So according to the poet, that people tend to keep changing with the scenario that is around them, so we need to stay stable and stay balanced. Now with this we come to know the story, what the message the poet is giving to us, that we should never keep changing like a chameleon. We should not change our mind like a chameleon. We have to be a human, a perfect human with the balance and staying stable. So with this I come to the end of today's story. So have a wonderful day ahead. Till then, stay safe, stay home.